Hey friends, John Hurlbut here with the Altitude Homes team right here in beautiful Washington State. Today, we're busting some of the biggest myths about VA loans. And I'll be honest, some of these even catch seasoned buyers off guard. So whether you're active duty, retired military, or just doing research before your PCS to Joint Base Lewis-McChord, this is going to be a game changer for you. So let's dive in. Myth number 1. VA loans are totally free because there's no down payment. False. While it's true, most VA buyers can finance 100% of the home's value without a down payment, that doesn't mean there are no costs. You've still got closing costs, things like title insurance, appraisals, escrow fees, and lender charges. And no, the VA doesn't just magically pay those for you. Myth number 2. Here's another one I hear a lot. The seller has to cover all my closing costs. Nope, that's a negotiation point. VA loans allow sellers to pay up to 4% in concessions, but they don't have to. You'll want an agent, like me, who knows how to structure that into your offer effectively. I just had a buyer meet me at a home and let me know he was doing a VA no-no loan. I told him, I'm experienced with the VA loan, but not sure what he meant by no-no. He said, no down payment, no closing costs, the seller has to pay those. I tried to explain that he could ask the seller to pay closing costs, and we often do, but they don't have to pay closing costs. He wasn't hearing it and stormed off. Myth number 3. This one drives me nuts. I used my VA loan already, I can't use it again. Absolutely not true. As long as you meet eligibility requirements and haven't maxed out your entitlement, you can reuse your VA loan and even have multiple VA loans in some situations. Now, myth number 4, and I've heard this from a few frustrated buyers and a few real estate agents, VA appraisals are super strict and will always kill deals. The truth, VA appraisals are just as doable as any other loan type. They're focused on safety, sanitation, and structural soundness. In fact, many homes pass with no issue at all, especially in our market around JBLM. And finally, myth number 5, VA loans take forever to close. Maybe in 1998, but today VA loans can close just as quickly as conventional loans when you're working with a lender who knows what they're doing, and a real estate agent who knows how to keep the train on the tracks. And hey, you've got one of those covered when you partner with me to buy a home, and I'll refer you to a lender that knows the nuances of VA loans inside and out. So, busted any myths you believed? Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you're PCSing to JBLM or just thinking about using your VA loan benefit here in Washington, grab my JBLM relocation guide. The link's down below. And as always, if you've got questions about VA loans, I've got answers. I'm John Hurlbut with the Altitude Homes team. If you've enjoyed this video, we'd sure appreciate it if you'd press that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and click that little bell icon so you don't miss any more content we have planned for you. See you at the next one.